Containers are taking the world by storm, especially Kubernetes. Well, this course, let me tell you, it takes you beyond the basics and into the real world. Things like needing persistent storage solutions and hooking into existing high-performance and highly available storage services. Also, multi-container pods, so init containers and all the different sidecar models that get you beyond hello world and integrating your apps into the real world. Then finishing up with securing apps running on Kubernetes. And when you're done, let me tell you, you'll have taken your skills up several notches and you'll be tooled up and ready for the real world. Anyway, who am I? I'm Nigel, and I have been full throttle at this container stuff for years now. I got in early with Docker, became a Docker captain, and I've authored several Docker courses here on Pluralsight, and I write books and I speak around the world. But also Kubernetes. I've got several Kubernetes courses on Pluralsight, and I am the author of a best-selling Kubernetes book. But the important stuff, I'm all about making learning fun, but I'm also outrageously passionate about teaching things clearly, because I know your time is valuable and I have no interest in you walking away disappointed. Anyway, if you need to learn some more advanced Kubernetes topics, this course is for you. So strap yourself in and get ready for the learning ride of your life.